My topic is pay-per-click, PPC, advertising in detail explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising is a popular form of online advertising where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. It's a model commonly used by search engines, social media platforms, and other online advertising networks to display ads to users. The most well-known platform for PPC advertising is Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, but other platforms like Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, and Twitter Ads also use the PPC model. Here's how PPC advertising typically works. Advertiser setup: the advertiser creates an ad campaign on the PPC platform. This involves selecting keywords or target audience characteristics relevant to their products or services. Keyword/targeting auction: when a user performs a search or visits a website that matches the selected keywords or targeting criteria, an ad auction takes place. In the auction, advertisers bid on the keywords or audience characteristics they want to target. Ad placement: the PPC platform uses a combination of bid amount, ad relevance, and other factors to determine which ads will be displayed to the user. The ad is usually shown at the top or bottom of search engine results or within the content of websites or social media feeds. Ad display: if the user clicks on the ad, the advertiser is charged the bid amount they set for that keyword or audience targeting. Immediate results: PPC campaigns can be launched quickly, and ads start appearing as soon as the campaign is approved. Targeted audience: advertisers can choose specific keywords, demographics, interests, and locations to target their ideal audience. Cost control: advertisers have control over their budgets and can set daily or lifetime spending limits. Measurable: PPC platforms provide detailed performance metrics, allowing advertisers to measure the effectiveness of their campaigns accurately. However, PPC advertising also has its challenges. Cost: highly competitive keywords can be expensive, and if not managed properly, costs can outweigh returns on investment. Ad fatigue: over time, users may become less responsive to the same ads, which can reduce click-through rates. Learning curve: managing successful PPC campaigns requires expertise and constant optimization. To run an effective PPC campaign, advertisers need to conduct thorough keyword research, create compelling and relevant ad copy, and continuously monitor and adjust their campaigns to achieve the best results. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising is an online advertising model in which advertisers pay a fee each time their ads are clicked on. It is a way to drive targeted traffic to a website or landing page by displaying ads on search engines, social media platforms, or other websites. PPC advertising is commonly associated with search engine advertising, such as Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, but it also includes platforms like Bing Ads, Facebook Ads, and Twitter Ads. In PPC advertising, advertisers bid on keywords or target specific demographics, and their ads are displayed when users search for those keywords or fit the specified criteria. The ranking of ads is typically determined by a combination of bid amount and the quality score assigned to the ad by the advertising platform. The quality score takes into account factors like the ad's relevance, click-through rate, center, and the quality of the landing page. When a user clicks on an ad, they are directed to the advertiser's website or landing page, and the advertiser is charged a certain amount for that click. The cost per click, CPC, can vary depending on factors like the competitiveness of the keywords or the platform being used. PPC campaigns often have a daily or monthly budget to control spending. Benefits of PPC advertising include: targeted reach: advertisers can reach a specific audience based on keywords, demographics, location, interests, and other parameters, ensuring that their ads are shown to potential customers. Immediate results: PPC campaigns can start driving traffic to a website or landing page as soon as they are launched, providing a quick way to generate leads or sales. Measurable and trackable: PPC platforms provide detailed analytics and performance metrics, allowing advertisers to track the effectiveness of their campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Cost control: advertisers have control over their budget and can set maximum bids, daily spending limits, and adjust bids based on performance. Flexibility: PPC campaigns can be easily adjusted, paused, or scaled up/down to accommodate business needs or changing market conditions. However, PPC advertising also has some challenges, such as cost. Highly competitive keywords can have high CPC, which may make it expensive for advertisers, especially if they have a limited budget. Complexity: managing a successful PPC campaign requires understanding the platform, keyword research, ad creation, bid management, and ongoing optimization. It can be time-consuming and requires expertise to achieve optimal results. Ad blindness: users may become accustomed to ignoring ads or using ad blockers, reducing the visibility and effectiveness of PPC campaigns. Click fraud: in some cases, malicious entities or competitors may click on ads without any intention of genuine interest, leading to wasted ad spend. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising is a form of online advertising where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked on by a user. It is a model used by search engines, social media platforms, and other websites to generate revenue from advertising. The most common and well-known platform for PPC advertising is Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords. Advertisers create ads. Advertisers create text-based or visually appealing ads that will be displayed on relevant websites or search engine results pages. These ads typically include a headline, a brief description, and a URL to the advertiser's website. Selecting keywords or targeting criteria: advertisers choose specific keywords or phrases that are relevant to their products or services. When users search for those keywords on search engines, or when their browsing behavior matches the targeting criteria on other websites, the ads are shown to them. Ad auction: when a user searches for a specific keyword or matches the targeting criteria, an ad auction takes place. The auction determines which ads are shown and in what order. The auction considers factors like bid amount, ad quality, and relevance to the user's search query. Ad placement and visibility: the winning ads from the auction are displayed on the search results page or relevant websites. Advertisers bid on keywords, and the bid amount, along with ad quality, determines the ad's position and visibility. Paying for clicks: as the name suggests, advertisers only pay when a user clicks on their ad. Impressions: the number of times the ad is shown, are free, and the payment is made only for actual clicks, which direct users to the advertiser's website. Immediate results: ads can start running as soon as the campaign is set up, driving traffic to the website almost instantly. Cost control: advertisers can set daily or monthly budgets to control their spending. Targeted audience: advertisers can target specific demographics, locations, interests, and behaviors, increasing the chances of reaching their ideal customers. Measurable results: PPC platforms provide detailed analytics, allowing advertisers to track the performance of their campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Despite its benefits, PPC advertising can be challenging and costly if not managed properly. Effective PPC campaigns require continuous monitoring, optimization, and a good understanding of the target audience and keywords. It's essential to align the ad content with the user's intent to achieve better click-through rates and conversions. Therefore, creating relevant and engaging ad copies is crucial to the success of PPC campaigns. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising is a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked on. It is a way to drive traffic to websites rather than earning those visits organically. In PPC advertising, advertisers bid on keywords relevant to their target audience, and when someone searches for those keywords on a search engine, their ad may be displayed alongside the search results. The ads can also appear on websites that are part of the advertising network. When a user clicks on the ad, they are directed to the advertiser's website, and the advertiser is charged a fee. The fee for each click is based on the bidding price of the keyword and the quality score of the ad and landing page. The quality score is determined by factors like ad relevance, click-through rate, and landing page quality. PPC advertising enables businesses to reach their target audience more effectively as the ads are shown to users actively searching for relevant keywords or browsing websites related to the ad topic. It also provides a measurable return on investment (ROI), as advertisers can track the performance of their ads and make adjustments accordingly. Popular platforms for PPC advertising include Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, and Microsoft Advertising, formerly Bing Ads, which allow advertisers to display ads on their respective search engine platforms. Social media platforms, such as Facebook and Instagram, also offer PPC advertising options to reach their large user base. Overall, PPC advertising can be an effective strategy to increase website traffic, generate leads, and drive conversions, especially when combined. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.